Hey YouTube, it's Brooklyn and I'm back with another video. Today's going to be about eyelash extensions. I had just gotten them done recently. I have gone twice for the full experience of waiting for the refills. So I'm going to start off with the step-by-step process, and I also got them done by Presley Glam to Go. I will be leaving the information down below for those of you who watch my channel and want to go that are local to my area. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with how you have to set up for the appointment, because you want to make sure that you have absolutely no makeup on your face at all. Zip, zada, zero. Your eyelashes need to be in their natural state, so that even means do not wear any like mascara, don't curl your eyelashes, make sure you don't get like an eyelash perm beforehand. You want them in their natural state. Alright, so when I got there, she had me clean my lashes with baby shampoo and with the Miracle Cleansing Water first. So this was to make sure to get any residual makeup off, everything. I had just gotten the Target brand, oil-free, and baby shampoo, also Target brand, oil-free. So you're going to want to make sure that everything that you're using on your eyelashes after you get them done is oil-free, because of the fact that the oil can break down the glue that is on your eyelashes. The eyelashes are individually glued to your natural lashes, each little one by one. So the duration of time that you're going to be there for the first time it can be from 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2 hours 40 minutes, or even shorter depending on the person you're going to, or longer depending on your lashes, because each lash set is different, your natural lashes, because you can have more that they can put on, some they can't. It just depends on the natural state and the health of your lashes. So aftercare also, which I'm going to talk about, is I bought the baby shampoo myself. I use that for my makeup brushes too. That's why I buy the gigantic bottle, because it doesn't break down the glue that is also in the makeup brushes. So dual purpose. And I try to make sure to not put any of my oily products, makeup products, cleansers, to take off my more of higher end makeup that sticks, like the Jeffree Star collection, that doesn't come off so easily. So I try to avoid getting it on my lashes, and I try to clean them properly. And how I would clean them is to grab a non-microfiber towel, and I wrap around my finger and gently go around the lashes, avoiding to rub them completely off, because the more you rub your lashes, the more you're going to take the glue off, and you don't want to pull, tug, anything. Try to pull out the lashes from where they are, because they are attached to your lashes, and you're going to end up almost going bald in the lashes if you try to take them out. Always get them taken out by a professional. So I got them done during the Halloween season, so I did need a little extra mascara. So I found out that they do make water-based mascaras, which you can find out online which kinds you can get. I just needed that little extra for my bottom lashes, so I ended up getting the Maybelline Great Lash. This is the one that I had gotten. So I made sure to at least first I made sure to look at what I was getting first, so I didn't mess up the lashes at all. And by the 2-week time period, I could tell one had fallen out a little bit more than the other, but that's because your eyelashes naturally fall out. You get about like 50 to 60 per like couple weeks. It just depends on how you treat them and all of that. So I definitely did go back for the 2-week refill, and we even went a little bit further with adding in more. And if you go to my Instagram, you can also see the before and after kind of like pictures. The first time I got them, the second time I got them. The second time I was only in the chair for maybe an hour and 30 minutes. And it's very relaxing. It's non-painful, non-invasive, nothing. It's just simply spreading your lashes. I'm trying to find it. All that professional stuff, which maybe one day I will have a video going more in depth on the professional side, more in the at-home take care. So you also get to take home a spoolie. Luckily I bought like a brand new one, a more like professional one, but you also get ones that you can take home too. So you're going to have the little mascara wand, and this is to brush out your eyelashes 2 to 3 times a day, because the eyelash extensions that get put on can get tangled up if you don't brush them out and take care of them properly. So I definitely got one of these to ensure that that does not happen. So I basically brush morning, night, and middle of the day also. And I try not to get any makeup around it, nothing. So if you have any questions about this, just ask and leave a comment below. And I will also be leaving the Pressy Glam to go information down below for any of you who are local who want to have it done. She also will come to you, which is great, so you don't have to leave your house for it. She also does another arrays of, she does spray tans. So go look at her website. I'm going to leave it down below. You have a great day, everybody, and bye!